setup as opposed to the full-on notch that the non-Pro model should have. Bye-bye again to the Mini. So we have this little velour-style bag protected by this air package here. Now, in the past, when I've seen these things, I've been amazed. Like, I can tell from the weight already, this is not one of these cheap dummy units or clones, but instead, it's really made to a premium specification. You can see the back here is covered in red tape to block out, I'm guessing, the logo or to protect the back. Okay, there's more where that came from. Ooh. This looks like it's going to be the darker color, your kind of midnight or whatever they're going to call it. From the back, it looks a lot like the current generation Pro Max, if not identical. Now, the camera units grew. They got even bigger. I know that's a surprise to you. We will pull the calipers out because we do need to get to the bottom of it. As of right now, the height looks almost identical. They're so similar in weight. Really feels like an actual functional phone. I'm not seeing antenna bands on this unit. Power switch actually looks a little bit wider. It looks a little fatter. What's crazy about it is it looks like the metal pins are in there. Wow, that is with the screws inside. This thing, watch, it's functional. It works. I booted up. Legit iPhone 14. That is amazing. They even have Apple's specialized screws down there. Still the lightning port. No fully wireless iPhone for iPhone 14. Not that anybody expected it. The dreams about a USB-C iPhone, you're still dreaming. It's not happening. It's still a dream, right? Your dreams about a potential USB-C iPhone, not happening. Not today. Not with the iPhone 14. On this side of the device, where the SIM card tray is, that's not actually removable on this non-working model. Of course, your hold switch is still there, and kind of like the power button, these volume buttons are ever so slightly different in dimension. They're just a little bit fatter. The thickness is concerned, it looks almost identical. If anything, the 14 model here might be a touch fatter, but we'll pull out the digital calipers for that. Up here, we do not have our typical notch. This is going to be the hole punch plus pill setup that has been rumored, and now it's been built into this non-functioning